Smart hose products are hose and breakaway products. They're passive systems that act instantly and automatically without human intervention in case of catastrophic hose failure or unintended drive-away. Whether that drive-away is a tank truck, a rail car, a ship, a loading arm. All of our hoses have an internal cable that goes through the hose. This is a clear plastic sample. There are valves in the end fitting. And so if there is a catastrophic hose failure where the cable can extrude from the hose, it closes instantly and automatically in both directions. This is a 2-inch diameter. So this gives you an idea of what our flapper style design is. So it's the same system, a cable. This would be going through the hose. And then if there's a catastrophic hose failure, this closes instantly and automatically in both directions. So if you actually cut our hose right in half, what you will see is a non-event, because the flow and the backflow are going to close that instantly and automatically in both directions. You will lose the content of the hose, but the flow stops from there.
Okay.
So that it is a non-event. So if we can make those industrial transfers safer and that the operator isn't even aware it's there and they can't change it and it looks the same, it operates the same, there's no moving component that anybody is going to make any changes with it. And that's the beauty, is its simplicity.
Yeah.